Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove errors in Google Sheets step by step. Errors can appear when formulas have problems, data is missing, or cells contain incorrect information. Removing these errors helps make your spreadsheet cleaner and easier to understand. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets on your computer. Open the spreadsheet that contains the errors you want to fix. You may see different error messages, such as division errors, missing data errors, or incorrect formula errors. To fix an error, first click on the cell that shows the error message. Check the information inside the cell and review the data that caused the problem. For example, if a calculation is showing an error because a required value is missing, enter the correct information or update the value in that cell. You can also use the Find and Replace feature to quickly locate errors in your spreadsheet. Click Edit from the top menu, then select Find and Replace. Search for the error message you want to find, review the results, and replace or correct the incorrect data. Another way to keep your sheet clean is by checking your formulas and making sure all cell references are correct. After fixing the problems, your spreadsheet will display the correct results instead of error messages. Removing errors is useful for creating professional reports, managing data, and making your spreadsheets easier to read. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to remove errors in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips, spreadsheet tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next one.